Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about why one should come into export-import fair. Let me tell you, it is world's oldest business. Export-import is nothing new. Ancient time, almost 2500, 5000 years back, we used to export varieties of goods to the world against which we used to import gold because there was no US dollar at that time. Neither US was there. At that time, India was exporting varieties of goods across the world against which India was bringing gold out against that. And that's why India was called Golden Bird. But what happened to it? In last 500 to 1000 years, started with Mughals, then Portuguese, Dutch, French, and finally Britishers. They came to India and taken away every gold from here. So it's very much important time now India to rise again. It's a great opportunity for an Indian to conquer the world again. At that time, there was no technology, no WhatsApp, no Google. Still, our grandparents used to do the export-import, going to the worldwide and bringing our name across the world. Now, the time has arrived. India's 65% population is young. Who can change India again? We are still talking about 1947. We got the independence, the issue of Pakistan, Britishers ruled us, everything is looted from us. Let's talk about 2047, where we want to reach. It can happen only when you start thinking of this. People afraid about exports, they feel like there's the issues of customs, documentation, payment issues, whether I'm going to find the buyers. Oh, I don't speak English. How would I export? Rest assured, these all are myths. It's not that if you don't understand English, you can't export. I've been to more than 80 plus countries and I've spoke to more than 150 plus country people. Let me tell you, hardly 8 or 10 country people who understand English. If you feel Chinese are exporting across the world, which means every Chinese speaks in English, it's a big myth. Hardly 5% of the Chinese people understands English. So just imagine if they can do in last 20-25 years, why can't we? But when it can happen, when we start thinking of doing this. That is why to promote export, so that so many people should be coming down to the field. They should come and export to the world. We done one mission called Mission Golden Bird, under which we ask people to understand the system. It's all about the system. It's nothing like I have to understand Chinese law or American law or African law. It's well organized system. Once you know this system, you can export across the world. Whether you want to export from Africa's jungles or the topmost building of USA, you are able to follow the same system itself. There is no need to afraid. The reason behind this, government is also supporting to you on exports. For your information, when you're exporting your goods, you don't have to pay the GST. It's not about paying GST. If you have paid the GST, that can be claimed back. Apart from that, there are various kind of export benefits being offered by government, ranging from 2% to 5% export benefits being offered. The low rate of interest, they are offering the funds to you to promote the exports. You will feel, is it really government offering like this? Yes, they are offering because export-import is one business government also would like to promote. You will say, why? So once you start your export business, your production capacities are going to be increased. If to increase the production capacities, you need to have the manpower that will generate the employment generation. So employment generation will increase, they will have a purchasing power. And once they have a purchasing power, automatically economical growth will be there. That's why we always say, it's not that just take the banduks and go to the borders and fight for the nation. If you want to really serve the nation, it is very much important. Staying within the country, you can generate the employment generation. If you can generate the employment for the manpower, for the people, that is also one kind of service to the nation only. And that is what our mission is all about. People should know why should one go for exports. It's the madly simple system. If you are currently doing within your state, you are still having 7 to 8 CR population, against which across the world there are more than 700 CR people are staying. If you are supplying to entire India, still you are coming with 17% population of the world. 83% people are staying out of country. And that's the opportunity we as an Indian we need to understand now. Modi ji will be there for next 5 years or not there. We have to survive after that as well. And that can only happen when you start thinking today to make yourself change. And that's the process what we are going ahead. That is why we are in a Golden Bird mission to bring those Golden Bird days back in India. And that can only be done by our efforts with a system, proper system. And that's what our mission is all about. So, if you'd like to know about our mission, if you'd like to know about exports, if you'd like to start your export business, if you want to build your cane export import, right, request you to share this videos with your friends. Make comments if you want to have certain details, more videos if you are looking for, and request you to subscribe to it so that we can give you some more videos where you can focus on how you can start your export business. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.